What's good, guys? Johnny back here with another video, and today we'll be doing different types of balls, like how hard I can throw them. We have a radar gun that my dad got, so I thought it'd be cool to use it in this video. We got a whole 6 different types of balls here. We might find some more to use, and we have a bow net all the way down over there that we'll be throwing them into. My brother will be standing behind the bow net and seeing how hard I'm throwing it. And yeah, I think it'll be a fun video, so let's get right into it. Right now, the first ball that we're doing is the tennis ball. This one, I don't really know what to expect from it, but it should be pretty good anyway.
$77.
Nice. Oh, that doesn't count. What was that?
65. 79.
Huh?
79.
Alright guys, the next ball we'll be doing is the baseball. I feel like pretty confident in throwing this hard, but I don't really know.
79. 74. 78.
What?
70.
The next ball we're doing is this little mini soccer ball. Probably gonna go pretty slow, but I just thought it'd be cool to try it out.
More video. 60. 57. 57.
Alright guys, the next ball we'll be doing is the bouncy ball. This one probably should go pretty fast. It's gonna go through the net, so my brother's gonna have to watch out. But yeah, this is the next one, alright.
79. That scared me. I forgot. I instantly forgot I was going through. 83.
Nice. That one's
83.
The next ball we'll be doing is the lacrosse ball. This one should go pretty hard, but at the same time it is kind of heavy, so who knows.
73. 78. 76.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching that video so much. Like, comment, and whatever you guys thought, how we did. I think the next video we're going to be using the radar gun and doing bat speed, how hard I can hit each ball with a metal bat, and I think that'll be a good video, so let me know what you guys thought. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.